Abbreviation versus initialism versus acronym. Now, what do you call these? Are they abbreviations, initialisms, or acronyms? In this video, we are going to be looking at the difference between abbreviation, initialism, and acronym. Let us start with abbreviation. When few letters of a word are used to represent the word, it is called abbreviations. Let us look at examples of abbreviations. This is the abbreviation for professor. You notice that only few letters of the word professor are used to represent professor. Other examples are Jan for January, ENGR for engineer, MR for Mr., and DIFF for difference. So in abbreviation, only some letters of the word are used to represent the word. So abbreviation can be said to be a truncated word. Next, let's talk about initialisms and acronyms. This is where a lot of people mix it up. Initialism is a term formed from the first letters of two or more words used to represent the group of words. So initialism involves two or more words and not just a single word as in abbreviation. The first letters of the words are used. Example, EFCC, BBC, NGO, ATM, MTN. So each of these initialisms contains the first letter of the words which each represents. In initialism, all the letters are written in uppercase. Now we'll be coming back to initialism. Let's talk about acronym. Acronym is very similar to initialism. Acronym is also formed from the first letters of two or more words, which is used to represent the group of words. Let's look at examples of acronym. We have PIN, RAM, NATO, ASAP, Wi-Fi, SIM. In acronym, similarly, each of the letters are written in uppercase. What is now the difference between initialism and acronym? An initialism cannot be pronounced as a single word. Rather, each letter of the initialism is pronounced individually, such as EFCC, BBC, NGO, ATM, MTN. On the other hand, acronyms are pronounceable as single words. For instance, PIN, RAM, NATO, ASAP, Wi-Fi, SIM. So when a collection of initials can be pronounced as a single word, it is called acronym. But when a collection of initials cannot be pronounced as a single word, it is called initialism. Now let's look at the meaning of each of these initialism. EFCC, Economic and Financial Crime Commission. BBC, British Broadcasting Corporation. NGO, Non-Governmental Organization. ATM, Automated Teller Machine. MTN, Mobile Telephone Network. Alright, now let's come to acronym. PIN. Now you notice that each of the acronym can be pronounced as single word. PIN, Personal Identification Number. RAM, Random Access Memory. NATO, North Atlantic Treaty Organization. ASAP, As soon as possible. Wi-Fi, Wireless Fidelity. SIM, Subscribers Identity Module. I guess you learned something today. Thank you very much for watching.